Hi friend, I am Amaresh. Today I am going to speak about VMC machines. What is a VMC machine and types of VMC machine and uses and process I will explain in details. So first point we need to discuss like what is a VMC machine. So basically machine based manufacturing is the process of removing layers of a material from a workplace with the use of machine tools to produce the desired product or a part. It is divided into several categories: manual versus CNC, 3 axis versus 5 axis, and vertical versus horizontal. Each process version has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Okay, so making it suited for various manufacturing applications. In this article we are going to talk about vertical machining centers. Okay, so in this session I will explain this vertical machining centers. So first is we need to learn what is a VMC machine. So vertical machining centers, also known as a vertical milling machines, that is only the VMC. Okay, creates holes in flat parts. The VMC technology is favored when 3-axis work is done on a single phase, such as in mold and die works. Multiple adjustments are available on VMCs. For example, on the work table there are numerous angles of approach and rotating and other positioning devices. The incorporated computerized controls enable automation, repeatedly tool selection, change, and contour control. These new CNC machines raised the productivity of the milling machine to unprecedented heights, giving rise to the term VMC vertical machining center. Okay, that's it. VMC is vertical machining center. Okay, so next, how many axes are in VMC machines? How many axes are in VMC machines? In this, mainly VMC machines have only 3 axes that moves on X, Y and Z axis. On standard VMCs, the cutter stays in vertical directions. To increase the benefits of VMC, additional axis can be added. Okay, next, types of, if we come to types of VMC machines are classified based on the mainly 4 categories. Okay, classification based on the guide rail, hard rail or linear rail, you can call it. So the VMC machine can be separated into the hard rail and linear rail based on the shape of each axis guide rail. Okay, the stiffness of the strong rail makes it appropriate for heavy cutting. The linear rail is a ball bearing guide rail that moves rapidly and with greater sensitivity. Next, classification of based on the spindle speed, low speed and high speed. The low speed type of VMC machines spindle speed is 6000 to 15000 rpm, whereas the high speed type spindle speed is above 18000 rpm. Surface polish and processing precision will improve high speed and high precision VMC machines. Classification based on the bed structure, C type or gantry type. Okay, C type and gantry type. The VMC can be classified into 2 types based on its bed structure, C type and gantry type. Next is classification based on the column structure, fixed column and fixed work table. Fixed column, VMC stands for vertical machining center with table movement. This type of vertical machining center accounts for over 75% of the market in terms of production and sales. Okay, a fixed work table VMC, also known as moving column type VMC, this type of vertical machining center accounts for around 15% of the vertical machining center market in production and sales. vertical versus horizontal lathe machines. So we need to check, we need to learn what is the difference between vertical and horizontal lathe machines. So vertical lathe machines are whose ramp type machines that are used for boring, cutting, drilling, facing, turning of heavy duty and high power cutting of medium and large parts. Okay, next horizontal lathe machine. Vertical I explained. So next is horizontal lathe machines. Horizontal lathe machines. A horizontal lathe machine is mainly used for turning a rotating workpiece with a turning tool. Horizontal lathes are just as similar as vertical lathes, but the difference is it has a horizontal lathe in it. When using a vertical lathe, the machinist must work in an up and down motion. Both of the lathes are used for creation of similar products. Okay, so this is the difference between vertical lathe machines and horizontal lathe machines. Vertical versus horizontal lathe machines. Okay, next when we come to application of VMC machining, vertical machining centers may produce parts and products for various industries and users. These are typically used for high precision, high accuracy and mass production applications such as those that contain the following machines components. Next, parts with a lot of curves. So one of our users is this parts with a lot of curves. Complex curves are found in parts such as cams, impellers and propellers, while traditional machining process make it challenging to produce these parts with a precision and accuracy. A multi-axis VMC equipped with CNC machining technology can do so faster and efficient. Next, parts that have an unusual shape. A bracket or a base is an example of a piece with an irregular form. VMC with the automatic machining capabilities enable the manufacturing of these high complicated components that are difficult to manufacture by traditional methods. Third one is this parts from the military. So there also the VMC they will use various standards go on how an item can be developed and manufactured in the military industry. VMC's accuracy and precision ensuring the machining components meet all applications and industry requirements. Okay, so these are all the all where the VMCs they will use application of VMCs, all the fields the VMC machining can use. And what are the uses of VMC machines? What are the uses? I explained you applications of the VMC machines. I explained wherever for what application VMC machine is using, that I explained you. But where are the uses of VMC machines? VMC machines are chiefly used to turn raw blocks of metal like aluminium, steel and other metal components. The most common industrial applications of these are cutting, drilling, shaping and molding of any kind. Okay, industries using these processes are the automotive, ship building, machine shops, machine manufacturing and other manufacturing industries. This VMC machine can use. And so the next question, the next point is difference between CNC and VMC. What is the difference between CNC and VMC? When we come to the machine shape and size, it's look like similar machines. Looking this from outside, it is like it's both are similar machines and both are same. But CNC, computer numeric control. CNC it's separate, computer numeric separate, numeric control. And when we come to VMC, vertical machining center, are both type of machine tools. There's no doubt that use computer programming to control the movement of the cutting tool. Obviously, it used computer programming to control the machine tool. However, there are some key difference between the two. Some difference is that I will explain you. CNC, computer numeric control, can refer to any type of machine tool that is controlled by a computer, including lathes, milling machines, and even 3D printers also can be used to create a wide variety of parts and products from simple to complex. Okay, can have a variety of different axes depending on the complexity of the machine. Next, VMC, vertical machining center, specifically refers to a type of milling machine that has its spindle axis oriented vertically, typically used for cutting metal and other hard materials. Often has a smaller footprint than other types of milling machines, making it ideal for use in tight spaces or when space is a premium. Okay, can have a up to 5 axes. CNC is a general term for any machine tool that is controlled by a computer, while VMC refers specifically to a type of milling machine that is oriented vertically and is more versatile than CNC. Okay, what is CNC in the sense? CNC is a method of automating the control of machine tools through the use of computer programs. It involves the use of computer to send digital instruction to the machine, which then moves the cutting tool to specific coordinates in order to produce a part product. Next, in CNC system, the computer program, often called G code, is the set of instructions that tell the machine where move the cutting tool and how fast to move it. These instructions based on 3D model of the part or product and can be generated using specialized software such as CAD/CAM programs. The mainly advantages of CNC machine is their ability to produce parts and product with a high degree of precision and repeatability. A VMC is a type of CNC machine that is specifically designed for milling operation. The primary difference between VMC and other types of milling machines is that the spindle axis of a VMC oriented vertically rather than horizontally. This orientation allows for more efficient cutting and more compact machine design. VMCs are typically used to cut metal and other hard materials and can perform a wide range of millions operations including drilling, taping and boring. They typically have a smaller footprint than other types of milling machines, make them ideal for use tight spaces when space is at a premium. Okay, so VMCs typically have at least 3 axes of motion, X, Y and Z, which gives them the ability to create complex shapes, and depending on the machine it can have up to 5 axes, allowing for more versatility and precision. VMCs are widely used in manufacturing industries such as aerospace, automotive, medical and many more. They are also used in the production of precision parts, prototyping and in the creation of molds and dies. Okay, so today I tried to explain about this VMC machines. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Please subscribe my channel and also like and share to support me for next video. If I am explain some lack of information, then please forgive me. I tried to explain basic things. Some people don't know like what is VMC and what is CNC and all those things. That I'm going to explain to them to learn these things. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.